it's an organization that helps anybody in need. I mean, why wouldn't you help keep a business or keep an organization alive to for help when they help people?
I could not do this job without them. They have helped the children of all of the schools immeasurably. And any kind of difficult situation, I can turn to them. They will not say no to me, and they will do the best that they can with that job.
To them, it's not a job. I mean, I really mean that from the bottom of my heart. They treat these kids like they're their own.
About a year, I found out my son has sugar. Without them, I'd have been lost because I don't know nothing about diabetics or doctors or things like that. So, time for appointments, they there for me when I need them. I call them and ask them questions. They don't have the answer, they'll find it for me.
We catch these kids at an earlier age to try to help them in this Care Reach program and try to get help to them before they get too old and behind in class.
It's a great program. They really are a bridge to helping families that do not quite meet the Medicaid. They can't quite make the cutoff for Medicaid, but they still can't afford to have glasses or dental work or any of the basic necessities that we take for granted. And they are a huge bridge. They're a big advocate for the child, and they make sure that the kids always have what they need. There is no other program like that in this area.
Be the hope to those whose lives are far from easy. Reach out and lend a hand. Share everything you can and be the change. We all talk about how it ought to be, 'cause we know that talk is cheap. But the time has come to let our actions speak. Yeah, it's getting late, no time to waste. Be the change you wanna see. Be the change you wanna see. Be the hope to those whose lives are far from easy. Reach out and lend a hand. Share everything you can and be the change. Be the change. Reach out and lend a hand. Share everything you can and be the change. Be the change. Be the change. Be the change.
It's really fortunate for us as teachers and educators, coaches as well, that we have a place to go when we come across one of our young people who needs some help, may not be able to get it otherwise, and just pick up the phone and call Michelle or whoever else is in the office, tell them what's going on, and it's just been a great, you know, they'll come to school, they work out all the details, they'll come to school, pick them up, take them to doctor's offices and doctor's visits and all that kind of stuff, and so really once it gets started and you turn them over to them, I don't really have to do anything anymore, it's just taken care of.
Open your eyes, people, take a good look around. Catch the tears filling up all those cracks in the ground. Turn off your televisions, leave your picture-perfect neighborhoods. A lot of folks out there ain't doing so good.